Hey, what's up, everybody? So I bought the Ryzen 7. I believe it's the 5800 XT. I don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure because I was told that's what should buy. But we're going going to be installing it soon. Right here's the, this is the tower. Tore it apart. Put the power in, which is not enough. I took out the motherboard. If everyone can see, I took it out. Just so we can work on it like everyone was requesting. I also installed the I/O panel, so we don't have to have that ugliness going on. And then we're wide open. We're wide open. Okay, so we've got that going down. We've got that's getting ready to install. We've got all that. And then what else do we got? Well, I guess that's about all we have for right now. The motherboard, we got the CPU, the GPU, the power, and now we need the RAM, and then we need the M dot whatever stuff. So, but we'll get it. So we're here. We're very close. I'm trying to rebuild old PCs. You guys know how those work. Yeah, so we're just kind of, All right. Talk to you guys later. Peace out. Sorry. Bye.